In this video, I will show you how to change your password in Möbius. So here I'm already logged in, and in the top right you can see your name, and next to it you'll see your role in parentheses. So click on that, and on the left hand side you'll see a link that says password update. From here, type in your new password, and of course repeat it again under confirm password. Now, the new password you type in, do note that it is case sensitive. It has to be at least 5 characters long, and it does have to include both capital, lowercase letters, and at least 1 special character. So I'll type in my new one here, click on submit, and you'll know it's successful when at the top here in red you'll see user password has been successfully updated. And that's how you change your password in Möbius.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.